Alright, today I'm going to unbox a Donatello Ninja Turtle, one of the originals. There he is. Ninja stance. Got some of his weapons here. His bow staff. Got a second bow staff. I'm going to put it in his sheath in the back. Back up in case something happens. Got some ninja stars. Pizza knife. And hand blade, scythe. I think I like how he is like that. Donnie, back. Blast from the past.